Hey guys, it's Courtney-Ann. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about business, finance, and real estate. Today we have a brand new listing on the market, and this is 7 Dorsetshire Avenue. So without further ado, let's get into the tour. Welcome to 7 Dersetshire Avenue, also known as the Jaheim Estate. These unfurnished apartments and penthouses are fresh on the market. The complex has 15 spacious units and prices start at 35.5 million all the way up to 50 million Jamaican dollars. Just some quick specs on the different units. So we have 2 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms starting at 35.5 million. This will be 1,250 square feet. Now the penthouse, which is much larger, is 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and it will be 2,450 square feet. Let's step inside the house where I will show you the living room area and the kitchen area. So as I walked into the unit, I was really taken away by the large living room area that was there. I really loved how aesthetically pleasing the kitchen was. The backdrop was everything for me, and you will see why in a moment, because this entire unit is aesthetically pleasing if you ask me. Another thing that blew me away was the significant amount of cabinet storage, granite countertops, and a double sink. You guys know how I feel about double sinks if you're a frequent watcher of this channel. Now guys, take a look at that backdrop. It really has a lot of earth tone colors, and it does match the dark brown cabinets. I'm just opening up the cabinet so that you can see how much space you're getting. And remember, it goes all around the kitchen as well as under the counters. So this is a significant amount of kitchen storage if you ask me. There's room for pots and pans, there's room for your dishes, there's also pantry space, and there's also space for your kitchen appliances. I really like the fact that the kitchen was very open concept, and that they also had glass in some of the cabinets to kind of open up the space, and also the different electrical sockets throughout the kitchen. Now let's take a look at the living room area. So like I said, it's extremely spacious. There's space for more than one couch. There's space for a coffee table. There's space for an air conditioning unit and much more. Now each unit does have its own private balcony, which I'm sure we all can appreciate. Having a morning to yourself where you can just sit and reflect and enjoy the morning sunrise and the chirping birds is all you really need. I'm standing from the end of the balcony so that you can see the full length, and you can also notice that there's some frosted glass on your right. There's drains on the flooring as well in case you want to wash your balcony. Now, if you're enjoying this view that I'm showing you here, we're actually just getting started, but I'm saving the best for last as usual. One thing that really stood out with me for this apartment complex was the views. Let's step back inside and take a look at the first bedroom. Now, this bedroom was actually pretty large. It had a lot of windows, lots of sockets as well, and there was a very large closet, which I'm gonna show you in a bit, but hold on, because I want to show you just how wide this bedroom is. So I'm gonna stand on the other end of the room so that you can see. Now this specific wall would be your TV wall. As you can see, all the sockets are already installed, and this, ladies and gentlemen, was the massive closet that I was referring to. Now you can install your shelves, your racks, and you can also install overhead shelves in case you have large objects that you need to store. Many times when apartment complexes are built, the bathrooms can be a little bit plain, but guys, let me tell you about this luxury bathroom that we're looking at here. Bright color scheme, earth tones. Remember what I said about the kitchen? It's also consistent in the bathroom. A very open shower with glass doors where it really opens up the space and lets in a lot of light. There's also a step or a seating area in case you want to sit and relax, and there's also a compartment in the wall for you to rest your toiletries. Let's take a closer look at the different finishes in the bathroom. Oh my god, guys, these were just so beautiful. It was very modern. I really loved the color scheme. This was the first bathroom I've ever done with such a bright color scheme, and I must say I really loved it. This was one of my favorite parts of the tour. Here we have an outdoor linen closet, which is right beside your living room space, and then we have our in-unit laundry area. So you have all your pipings and stuff already installed for you to go, and you can have your own in-unit private laundry. Now, like I said, sometimes apartment bathrooms can be pretty plain, but imagine having a guest and they get to use this. This screams luxury. I really love, and I know I'm repeating myself, but I really do love the color scheme used in this apartment. I think the bathroom was one of the best features for me, second to the surprise that I'm waiting on to show you. Now, this is the second bedroom, ladies and gentlemen, where you have your own closet and also your own bathroom. This closet is a little bit different because we have retractable doors and overhead space. So the first closet was an entire walk-in closet. This one is actually retractable doors, which is fine because it's still a pretty large bedroom with lots and lots of closet space. Again, there's your TV wall right there with all of your plugins and stuff like that ready for you to go. And guys, talk about consistency, because the bathroom here also has the same color scheme. We have storage underneath the cabinet. We have glass doors for the shower, so although it's a little bit smaller than the first shower that I showed you, you still have your glass doors, you still have your modern fixtures, and you still have your room inside the wall for you to put your toiletries, and also a seating area inside the shower. Let's take a closer look at the sink before we recap the inside of the apartment tour. Now guys, like I said, pretty open concept. There's your TV wall for your living room. There is your kitchen, and then your entrance is going to be on the right of your kitchen. This is your massive window over your kitchen sink, so you can see who's knocking on your door. If not, you can put a long enough kitchen curtain. Now let's take a step outside of the apartment, because we're now entering phase 2 of the house tour, which will be our views and also the surprise that I mentioned. This is what downstairs of the complex is looking like. Now, because some aspects of the complex is still under construction, I'm going to be showing you a digital drawing to give you an idea of the finished product. This is how the back of the complex is looking, or rather to the sides, and then I'm going to be showing you what it's supposed to look like once it's complete. Here is also a digital image of the common area, or the fraternizing area, where you can socialize and catch up with your neighbors. Now, the plus about this complex is that you do have access to elevators. However, if you want to be a fitness junkie, go ahead and take the stairs. It's totally fine. Now it's time for the grand finale, the surprise. Here we have a rooftop pool, a large rooftop pool that comes with landscaping views. The pool mimics an infinity style pool where you can just sit back, relax. You can hear the water running over the walls while you're taking your perfect view of Kingston. Now, I'm not sure if when you move in, if you'll have access to this part of the roof, because I really do think that this door is for staff only. But I just wanted to show you the beautiful lush green hills of Kingston, the blue waters, the blue sky, the clouds. This aura was everything for me. It was so relaxing, and I haven't even been in the pool. You do also have a gazebo where you can go and chill out in case you're having a little outdoor gathering. And guys, if you're enjoying the house tour, do not forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and go ahead and contact Miss Antoinette Daniels. She is the real estate agent for this beautiful property. Her number is 876-422-0676. So because this was an open house tour, I was actually able to run into Miss Daniels. Miss Daniels is the top realtor for this property, as I mentioned, and she is from Keller Williams. Let's have a quick chit chat with her. So guys, I'm here with Miss Antoinette Daniels, and she's one of the top realtors for this listing. So Miss Daniels, let the viewers know where they can find you and how they can contact you.
Okay, so I'm on Instagram as 876 official realtor. My telephone number is 876-422-0676.
Alright guys, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment your favorite part of this house tour. Let me know what room you loved best. For me, the best part of this entire tour was definitely the pool. What about you, Miss Daniels?
For me, it's the gazebo and the pool. Just see that view?
It was a totally nice view, for real. So guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!